fixing on a Raycom. Apparently it doesn't play W.
Weather situations.
What the?
Remote receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard.
Whoa. Scared the crap out of me.
Receivers' performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 10 a.m. and noon on Wednesdays. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. This concludes the weekly test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning System. Red flag warning in effect from 11 a.m. this morning to 7 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening for strong winds and low relative humidity for parts of the central Texas Panhandle.
Golly.
The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a red flag warning for strong winds and low relative humidity, which is in effect from 11 a.m. this morning to 7 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening. Affected area in Texas: Moore, Potter, Randall, and Palo Duro Canyon. 20-foot winds, southwest 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour.
Wow.
Relative humidity as low as 11%. Red flag threat index 4 to 6. Timing: Wednesday from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. A red flag warning means that critical fire weather conditions are either occurring now or will shortly. A combination of strong winds, low relative humidity, and warm temperatures will create favorable weather for rapid fire growth and spread. Avoid activities that promote open flames and sparks. The Amarillo Climate Summary is
Oh, and there it goes.
our 8 weather transmitters located near
Golly, my phone wouldn't start. Our Recon didn't go off. Oh. So it wasn't its fault. Okay.
Alarm tones and specific area encoder tones for weather watches and warnings, plus some non-weather related emergency messages.
Oh, this didn't go off because it's low on battery.
The West Central Texas listening area originates from your National Weather Service office in San Angelo, Texas.
Yes, everything went off besides the Recon ER40.